Hello kids, welcome to Shots Up, where learning is fun. Kids, do you want to play a game? Let's play Farm Animals Trivia Game. Are you ready kids? Let's play True or False. Round 1. Cows can fly? Answer is false. Cows can't fly. Round 2. Do ducks have webbed feet? Yes. Answer is true. Ducks have webbed feet. Round 3. Do sheep say moo? False. Sheep don't say moo. Which animals say moo? Yes, cow make the sound moo. Round 4. Do horses have 4 legs? True. Horses have 4 legs. Round 5. Can pigs swim? Answer is true. Pigs can swim. Round 6. Do roosters lay egg? Answer is false. Rooster can't lay eggs. Round 7. Do goats have beards? Answer is true. Yes, goats have beards. Round 8. Do llamas have soft woolly fur? Answer is true. Do geese only eat meat? Answer is false. Geese don't eat meat. Geese like to eat seeds, nuts, plants and berries. Round 10. Do rabbits lay eggs? Answer is false. Rabbits don't lay eggs. Well done everyone. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.